Custom reports in Microkeeper offer you the flexibility to tailor data insights to your specific needs. Ensure you've processed a pay run before, as this will populate the reports with relevant payroll data. Now, let's explore how to create, customize, and export your own custom reports. In your Microkeeper account, navigate to Payroll, Reports, and Custom Reports. You can check which reports you have access to by clicking the My Access button. Custom reports contain your business's tailored reports with custom parameters and filters for a detailed analysis based on your needs. First, let's create a new report. Click on the Report Builder button. Here you'll be able to edit, clone, or delete any existing reports. To create a new one, click on the plus button. Set a title for your new report and click on Create Report. On the left side, you have access to the 4 setup steps for your report. You can access any of them by clicking on the pencil icon. Let's start with the configuration. Microkeeper will automatically assign a report ID number to your new report. This ID is a unique identifier that can be used in the activity feed. Edit your report's title if needed. Select the primary dataset of the report. Subset options can be selected to allow you to work on a specific portion of the data instead of the entire dataset. A description of the report can be added in the Notes section. This could include information on the intended use of the report, specific considerations, or any other relevant details that can aid those analyzing the data. Now let's click on Columns. Columns let you select and organize the fields that will appear in your report's columns. Choose the data fields you want to use. Double-click or drag and drop them to the selected columns in the order you want them to appear. If you wish to customize the column headers in your report for clarity or to meet specific data presentation requirements, you can rename your columns by modifying their names in the Rename tab. The ones that don't need to be renamed can be left unmodified. Finally, you can refine your data included in the report by applying specific filters. Use the Query Builder to set conditions that the data must meet to be included in the report. Add filters by clicking on the plus icon. At the beginning of each filter or group of filters, select the option and, if all conditions must be met, or if any condition suffices, select a field, an operator, and specify a value. For more complex filtering, add nested groups with their own conditions by clicking the plus icon. You can either save, clear, or delete the filters. Now that your report is ready, click on the Back button. You'll find your new report in the list and you'll be able to access it in case you need to edit, clone, or delete it. Click on the Back button to go back to the main screen. Before viewing or exporting a report, you'll need to set up your filters. These include Fiscal year, period of time, which can be selected either by periods such as monthly, quarterly, and yearly, or selecting custom dates. And you also have to select the group. To check which pay runs are being included from your filters, click the arrow next to related pay runs. Now that your filters are set, you can export any of the available reports from the Export As button next to the report's name. Click on View and the report will open in a new tab. If you wish to save the report as a PDF, click on Print Report. Select the option Save as PDF. Click on Save and save it to your device. You can also export it as a CSV file downloaded directly to your device. The CSV file export option is also available from the main screen next to the report's name. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please reach out to our support team.